Buenos dias, hermanos. Today, we're on episode 2 of the 4Runner. And today, we're going to do something very necessary for the car whenever you buy a new car, and that is clean it. There's not much to say. The 4Runner is pretty dirty. It is an overlanding car, so they use it to go to the mountains, they use it to go outdoors, they use it to go everywhere. And today, I want to clean everything and see what this car is really looking like, how bad of shape it is, and see what we can do to make it look a lot better. Let's head over to the car. I'm gonna take out the seats first, and then we're gonna give it a good vacuum, and then we'll go from there. I want to take out the seats mainly just because I want easy access to be able to get everything under this. And to do that, we need to take a 14mm. There's 4 bolts, 1 on each corner of the seat, and we're going to take both seats out just to give us easy access.
And everything it changes too much.
No, I know, but that's why, like, it's pretty. It's important to.
Carry this like I carry my lady. And the second seat is out. So now that we have both front seats out, we can go and look at the mess that the previous owner made and some cool components they may or may not have in this car. We'll find that out later, but let's take a look. I assume this is what... Already with just the vacuum, it looks so much better. But now that we finished the preliminary vacuuming, we're gonna break out a new toy that we just got, an extractor. Wow! And we're gonna get to work.
That's so much dirt.
You're shooting chest up or like all of it?
I got you like knees up.
Double check.
Okay.
Good morning. Today is day 2 of cleaning the 4Runner. Yesterday we cleaned the interior of that 4Runner and it looks spotless. It looks amazing. But today we need to get that exterior the same. So let's get the car in the bay and let's get to cleaning. And just like that, we finished the detail on this 4Runner. I think it looks absolutely amazing. You guys let me know what you guys think in the description or in the comments. And yeah, next video, we're going to actually make this look a lot prettier than it is. It's still a little ugly on the outside for me personally, but we're going to take care of that, as well as any other issues that this car has. So stay tuned for that next video. We'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.